In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership site on Squarespace. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your offerings, setting up a membership site can be a fantastic way to connect with your audience on a deeper level and generate consistent revenue. So let's dive in and learn how to get this set up step by step. To begin, you want to navigate to the Squarespace page section. This is where all the magic starts. Locate and click on the Add button. This is your gateway to creating new types of content and pages for your site. Adding pages in Squarespace is particularly intuitive, and this step should feel like a breeze for anyone who has used the platform before. Once you've entered the Add menu, your next move is to select Member Site. You'll see several options, but Member Site is what we need for building a dedicated space for your members. Selecting this option helps Squarespace understand that you want to create a special page just for those who sign up for membership on your site. Now comes the fun part, choosing a template for your member site. Squarespace offers a host of beautifully designed templates, so take your time to look through their selection. Choose a template that suits the look and feel of your overall brand and aligns with what you envision for your community of members. This template will form the backbone of your membership site, giving you a structured, yet customizable foundation to work from. With your template selected, it's time to name your membership site. This is the label your users will see, so make sure it reflects the essence of your community or the services you offer. Keep it clear and recognizable, something that resonates with your audience. Next up, click on Edit. This space allows you to customize and build out the pages and content within your membership site. This is where you can modify elements to better suit your design preferences, add unique content tailored to your members, and really make the space your own. Don't hesitate to explore all the editing options available. After finalizing your edits, click Exit. This ensures all your changes are saved and brings you back to the main menu, signaling you're ready for the next phase. Now let's explore creating a pricing plan for your membership. Select Add a Pricing Plan. Pricing plans are essential as they define how your members will access the premium content you're offering. Consider the value of your content and what members might be willing to pay. Choose Create Pricing Plan, a simple yet crucial step. This is your chance to outline pricing tiers from basic to premium levels, depending on how you wish to structure membership access. Finally, click on Create to finalize and set your plan in motion. This is the finishing touch needed to bring your membership site to life, allowing eager members to start subscribing and engaging with your content. And there you have it. With these steps, your Squarespace membership site is ready to go live, opening up new possibilities for your brand and audience engagement. Happy creating, and enjoy the benefits of this new feature.